Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Civilka Adda 1M. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel Civilka Adda 1M and hit the bell icon to get the notifications. So in this video, I would like to explain about the various field tests of cement. So field testing of cement. So why it is necessary to do the field test of cement and how we are going to perform the test, that all we are going to learn in this video. So watch the video till the end for better understanding. So this field test is a very simple test which can be done at the field itself. It is not a laboratory test. So testing of cement can be done in both the ways, which means it can be done in the field and as well as it can be performed in laboratory as well. So testing of cement can be brought under two categories. The first one is field testing and the second one is laboratory testing. So in this video we are going to learn about the field test. So what are the various field tests are there? That all we are going to learn in this video. So laboratory test, already I have explained few laboratory tests on my channel. So if you want, you can go there and check it out, and few I am going to link it at the end of this video. So moving to the field testing. So the following are the various field tests. So date of manufacturing. The first test what we need to do is date of manufacturing. So after buying the cement bag, it is very important to check the date of manufacturing. So I mean, before using into the construction field, it is very important to check the date of the manufacturing, because as the strength of the cement reduces with age, so strength of cement will reduces with age. So when age is increasing, the strength will be decreasing. So the date of manufacturing of cement bag should be checked before used into the construction. So next is cement color. So the color of cement should be uniform. So when you are opening the cement bag, before opening you need to check the date of manufacturing. After opening you need to check the uniformity of the color and you need to check how the color is. So the color of cement should be uniform, it should be equal, and it should be grey color with slight greenish shade. So grey color with slight greenish shade. So that is, the color of the cement is greenish grey. When you are opening the cement bag, the cement color should be greenish grey. So then it is a good quality of cement. So moving to the next test, presence of lumps. So whether any harsh lumps are present in the cement bag or not, we need to check before using into the construction. So open the bag and take a good look at the cement. So see the cement, how it is, and see whether any visible lumps are there. Any lumps are there, you need to check it out, and the cement should be free from hard lumps. So if any lumps are not there, then it is a good quality of cement. If any visible lumps are there, then the cement is having more lumps, which is not fit for using. If more number of lumps are there, then it is not fit for use in the construction field. So we need to check before using, we need to check whether any lumps are present in the bag or not. So see the picture here. So cement bag, after opening you need to check the color of it, and this is the lumps. So lumps should not be present in the cement. So these lumps will be formed because of the moisture content. Then moving to the temperature inside the cement bag, and the other test is checking the temperature, whether it is cool or warm inside the cement bag. So place your hand into the cement bag. So place your hand into the cement bag and feel it. You need to check whether you are feeling it cool or you are feeling it warm. So it should give you a cool feeling. It should give you a cool feeling, not the warm. So if it is giving the warm feeling, then it means that hydration process is starting. So it absorbs moisture from the atmosphere and the hydration process is starting. So it is getting hydration, because of that only the cement will be warm. So it should be cool. So when you place your hand into the cement bag, you need to feel it as a cool. So moving to the next test, smoothness test or cement adulteration test. So what in this test, what you need to test is you need to take a pinch of cement, and feel between the fingers. So just take a pinch of cement and feel it between the fingers, and it should give a smooth feeling, not a gritty feeling. It should not give a harsh feeling or rough feeling. It should give you a smooth feeling. So then only the cement is free from the sand or any rough particles. So if it is rough, it indicates that adulteration with sand. So some sand is mixed into the cement. So you need to feel a smooth feeling, not a rough. If it is rough, it means that some sand particles are also present in that cement bag. So like this, you need to check the smoothness test or cement adulteration test. And the smoothness test can be done in laboratory also, that is the finest testing of cement. So that video also I have already did in my channel. So go and check it on my channel. So float test. So next test is float test. So take a handful of cement and throw it onto a bucket full of water. So see here. So take a handful of cement and throw it on a bucket full of water. So the particles should float for some time before they sink. So before sinking into the bucket, before sinking into the water, the cement particle should float for some time. It should float for some time, then only it should sink. So this is the another laboratory test. So moving to the one more test, glass plate test or setting test. So take about 100 grams of cement and a small quantity of water and make a stiff paste. So take 100 grams of cement and mix it with some quantity of water and make it as a stiff paste. So from the stiff paste, pat a cake with sharp edges. Just make it as a cake-like shape with sharp edges. So place that onto a glass plate. So put it on a glass plate and slowly take it under water in a bucket. So make the cement paste and make it as into a cake with sharp edges and put it on a glass plate and slowly take it under water into a bucket. So see that the shape of the cake is not disturbed. The shape of the cake is not disturbed while taking it down to the bottom of the bucket. And after 24 hours, the cake should remain its original shape. It should remain its original shape. So the shape should not get disturbed. It should remain its original shape, and at the same time it should also set and attain some strength. So crack should not be formed or the shape should not be changed. So whatever shape we are making it, that should be there. So this is another field test of cement. So thank you for watching the video till the end, and if you like the video, like, share and subscribe to my channel Civilka Adda 1M. Thank you all, and don't forget to share to your friends.